Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. I hope you are feeling like a kid again today.
Hi everyone, I am definitely feeling like a kid. I am wearing my Batman socks, I am eating a bowl of sugary cereal, and I am ready to talk about the best topic in the world.
You are always wearing Batman, Sam. But you're right. Today's topic is pure fun. We are talking about favorite cartoons.
Cartoons, animation, anime, the shows that raised us. Whether you grew up watching Tom and Jerry, SpongeBob, or Dragon Ball Z, everyone has a favorite.
And talking about cartoons isn't just for children. It is a huge part of global pop culture. Adults often discuss animation, but the vocabulary is specific.
You don't just say it is a drawing. You talk about the animation style, the plot, the villain, and the nostalgia.
Exactly. We want you to be able to explain why you love a show. Is it funny? Is it heartwarming? Is it action-packed? Or is it just a comfort show?
So here is our colorful roadmap for this massive lesson.
Listen closely to the goal. By the end of this video, you will be able to describe your childhood favorites with nostalgia. You'll discuss anime and modern animation styles. You'll analyze character types, like the sidekick versus the villain. You'll explain why adults watch cartoons to relax. We are going to teach you words like binge watch, episode, catchphrase, and spin-off.
And we are using our special method, context first. We will let you listen to our geeky conversation before we explain the words.
So grab a bowl of popcorn, sit back, and hit that subscribe button.
And hit the like button if you still watch cartoons as an adult. No shame.
Let's get started. Let's jump right into part 1, childhood nostalgia.
This is where we talk about the past, the golden age of our childhood, the shows that we ran home from school to watch.
In this first scene, Sam and I are remembering the shows we watched when we were kids. Listen for the words nostalgic, theme song, used to watch, and catchphrase.
Listen closely, I am going to sing. I apologize in advance for my voice. Okay, scene 1.
Sam, I heard a song on the radio today that made me feel so nostalgic, I almost cried in the car.
Really? What song was it? Was it a sad love song?
No, it was the theme song to Pokemon. You know the one, I Wanna Be the Very Best.
I want to be the very best. Oh, wow. That brings back memories. I used to watch Pokemon every morning before school. It was my religion.
Me too. It was my ritual. I would eat my toast and watch Ash and Pikachu. If I missed an episode, my day was ruined.
My favorite was Tom and Jerry. I loved the slapstick comedy. You know, the cat chasing the mouse, hitting him with a frying pan.
It was so violent, but hilarious. I preferred Scooby-Doo. I loved the mystery, and Scooby had the best catchphrase, Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
True. Those Saturday morning cartoons were the best. Life was so simple then, just cartoons and no homework.
It really was. I kind of miss that feeling of excitement.
Okay, stop and teach one. I want to be the very best. I still know all the words. It is burned into my brain.
We all do, Sam. But let's look at the vocabulary. First, I said I felt nostalgic.
Nostalgic. This is a beautiful, complex adjective. It describes the feeling of missing the past. It is happy and sad at the same time.
I feel nostalgic when I look at old photos. This smell makes me nostalgic for my grandmother's house.
Then we talked about the theme song.
The theme song is the music that plays at the beginning of the show. It introduces the show.
Friends has a theme song. SpongeBob has a theme song. Who Lives in a Pineapple Under the Sea? If you hear it, you know the show is starting.
And we use the grammar structure used to watch.
Used to. This is perfect for past habits, things you did in the past but don't do now. I used to watch cartoons. I used to eat candy.
Don't say I watched cartoons every day. Say I used to watch cartoons every day. It emphasizes the habit.
And finally, Rose mentioned a catchphrase.
A catchphrase. This is a famous sentence that a character says many times, like Scooby-Doo saying Scooby-Dooby-Doo, or Homer Simpson saying dough.
Or Bugs Bunny saying, "What's up, Doc?"
Exactly. Catchphrases become part of culture. So what show did you used to watch, and what was the catchphrase?
I used to watch He-Man. I have the power.
Classic.
Now, let's move to part 2, Anime and genres.
Now, not all cartoons are for kids. We have to talk about anime.
Anime. Japanese animation is huge globally. In this scene, Sam is trying to convince me to watch a new show. Listen for genre, animation style, and binge watch. Rose, you have to watch this new anime I found. It is a masterpiece. It will change your life.
I don't know, Sam. I'm not really into fighting shows. What genre is it? Is it just people screaming and punching?
No, it's not just fighting. It's a drama fantasy. The story is incredibly deep. It's about family, honor, and betrayal.
Okay, that sounds better. I like drama. How is the art?
The animation style is stunning. The colors, the movement, it is like a painting coming to life. It is visually beautiful.
Is it a long series? I don't have time for 500 episodes.
No, it has about 24 episodes. It is short. But trust me, once you start, you won't be able to stop. You will binge watch the whole season in one weekend.
24 episodes? That is doable. But if the animation is that good, maybe I will give it a try.
Do it. We can talk about it on Monday. I need someone to discuss the ending with. You are always trying to make me watch anime, Sam.
Because it is art, Rose. But let's look at the words. First, genre.
Genre. Listen to the pronunciation. It is French. Genre. It means the category or type of story. What is your favorite genre? I like comedy. I like horror. I like sci-fi.
Then Sam praised the animation style.
Animation style. This refers to how it looks. Is it 3D, like Pixar movies? Is it 2D, hand-drawn? Is it realistic? Is it cute?
I love the animation style of Studio Ghibli. It is very distinct.
And then I predicted Rose would binge watch it.
To binge watch, this means to watch many episodes of a show in a row without stopping.
I binge watched Stranger Things yesterday. It is the modern way to watch TV. We don't wait for next week anymore. We consume it all at once.
And we mentioned episodes. A TV show is made of episodes. Chapter 1, Chapter 2. A group of episodes is a season.
So, find a genre you like and start binge watching.
Now, a quick cultural note.
Yes, the difference between cartoon and anime.
A cartoon usually refers to Western shows from the US or Europe, often for kids or comedy. SpongeBob, The Simpsons.
Anime refers specifically to Japanese animation. Naruto, One Piece, Attack on Titan.
Anime fans are very serious about this. Do not call Naruto a cartoon. Call it anime.
Yes, respect the genre.
Let's move to part 3, heroes and villains.
Every good cartoon needs good characters. That is why we watch.
In this scene, we are analyzing why a show is good. Listen for protagonist, hero, antagonist, villain, and sidekick.
Why do you love Batman so much, Sam? He is so gloomy. He never smiles. That's the point. He is a complex protagonist. He's a hero, but he has a dark side. He's flawed.
I prefer Superman. He's a classic hero. He's good, he's strong, he saves everyone.
Boring. Superman is too perfect. Batman has the best antagonists. The Joker is the greatest villain of all time.
Okay, the Joker is scary. But you know what I like? I like the sidekicks.
The sidekicks, like Robin?
Yes, or like Donkey and Shrek, the funny character who helps the hero. They usually have the best lines.
That is true. A good sidekick provides the comic relief.
Exactly. The hero saves the world, but the sidekick makes us laugh. And sometimes the villain is more interesting than the hero.
True. The antagonist usually has the coolest outfit.
I'm a donkey, Shrek. Classic sidekick. Let's look at the literary terms. These are great for analyzing any story, not just cartoons. Protagonist.
Protagonist, the main character, the hero, the person we cheer for. Harry Potter, Batman, SpongeBob.
Antagonist, the main enemy, the villain, the person who tries to stop the hero. Voldemort, the Joker, Plankton.
And the sidekick.
The sidekick, the helper, the best friend. Batman has Robin, Shrek has Donkey, SpongeBob has Patrick.
The sidekick is usually loyal and funny.
And I use the phrase comic relief.
Comic relief. This is a character or scene that is funny, used to break the tension in a serious story.
He is the comic relief of the show. If a movie is very scary, you need a joke to relax. That is comic relief.
So who is your favorite? The protagonist, the antagonist, or the sidekick?
I always love the antagonist. Disney villains are the best. They sing the best songs.
Rose, you are evil.
Let's move to part 4. Why we watch. Comfort.
Finally, why do adults watch cartoons? Some people think it is childish, but we think it is essential.
In this scene, Rose is having a bad day. Listen for comfort show. Unwind and cheer me up.
Roleplay Scene 4. Context. Rose, you look stressed. Tough day at work.
The worst. My brain is fried. I had meetings all day. I just want to go home, put on my pajamas, and watch SpongeBob.
SpongeBob? Really? Not the news, not a documentary?
No way. The news is stressful. SpongeBob is my comfort show. It is silly, colorful, and happy. It helps me unwind.
I get that. When I'm sad, I watch The Simpsons. It always cheers me up.
Exactly. I don't want to think. I just want to laugh. Cartoons are the best therapy. It is nostalgic.
Well, go home and watch SpongeBob. You deserve it. Turn off your brain. Stop and teach for SpongeBob therapy. It works.
It does. First phrase, comfort show.
A comfort show is a series you have watched many times. You know what happens. There are no surprises. It makes you feel safe and happy.
I watch Friends as my comfort show. I watch Bluey as my comfort show.
Then I said it helps me unwind.
To unwind, to relax after stress. Imagine a clock that is wound up tight. To relax, you must unwind.
And finally, cheer me up.
To cheer someone up. To make a sad person feel happy. Buy her flowers to cheer her up. Watch a comedy to cheer yourself up.
Cartoons are great at cheering us up because they are colorful and innocent.
Now, before our review, we have a very important safety tip.
Yes, this is about the word animation.
Many students say, I like animations. It is better to say, I like animation, uncountable, when talking about the art form.
I study animation. I love animation.
If you talk about the specific TV shows, say, I like cartoons, or I like anime.
Don't say, I watched an animation yesterday. Say, I watched an animated movie, or I watched a cartoon.
Got it? Good. Let's review in the vocabulary box.
Slow and clear. I say the word, Rose gives the definition.
Nostalgic. Definition. A happy, sad feeling when thinking about the past.
Theme song. Definition. The opening music of a show.
Catchphrase. Definition. A famous sentence a character says often.
Used to watch. Definition. A past habit. I watched it before, but not now.
Genre. Definition. The category of story. Comedy, action. Pronounced genre.
Animation style. Definition. The visual look of the show.
Binge watch. Definition. To watch many episodes in a row.
Episode. Definition. One chapter of a TV show.
Protagonist. Definition. The main character/hero.
Antagonist. The villain, enemy.
Sidekick. Definition. The hero's helper and best friend.
Comic relief. Definition. A funny character used to reduce tension.
Comfort show. Definition. A show you watch to feel safe and happy.
Unwind. To relax.
Cheer up. To make someone happy.
The box is full. Let's empty it.
Speed round. Loudly.
The feeling of missing childhood.
Nostalgic.
The song at the start of the show.
Theme song.
Grammar. I watch cartoons. Past habit.
Used to.
A famous line like, "What's up, Doc?"
Catchphrase.
Watching 10 episodes in one day.
Binge watch.
The main hero.
Protagonist.
The bad guy.
Antagonist.
The hero's best friend, like Donkey.
Sidekick.
A show that makes you feel safe.
Comfort show.
To relax after work.
Unwind.
Japanese animation.
Anime.
You guys are animation experts.
I am ready to go watch TV.
Now the speaking challenge.
Step 1. Pause the video.
Step 2. Answer. What is your favorite cartoon and why?
Use my favorite is and it makes me feel nostalgic.
Step 3. Write it in the comments.
Ready? Pause in 3, 2, 1, go.
Did you do it? Is it Tom and Jerry, Naruto, Bluey?
I love Bluey. It is so cute.
Thank you for learning with us. Keep your inner child alive.
See you next time.
Bye.